Good evening. We will wait for some more time for the others to join. Good evening, everyone, once again. We shall wait for 2 more minutes for the others to join.
Yes, sure.
Good evening, madam. We'll wait for some more time for the others to join. I request the participants to come on time. Slowly, the number of participants coming on time is decreasing. We will have to respect. Good evening, friends. Good evening,
Good
friends.
evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I request all of you to be on time. We have to respect the time of others. So I request everyone to be on time. Also, I request you to, the uploading assignments. You can do it maybe before the course ends. Okay, you need not be in a hurry. You can submit it before the course ends with regard to the assignment. Test 2, I will inform you. And this week also, we will have another guest lecture or invited talk by Dr. Ravindran, who is an expert in smudge painting. Smudge painting, which you will enjoy. So we will fix it in a day or two. You will have another invited talk, maybe most probably on Thursday. Okay. So we will.
Sir, can you repeat again? I didn't
Most,
get you.
yes. Okay. So most probably the guest lecture will be on, invited talk will be on Thursday. So Dr. Ravindran will handle, he will handle it on smudge painting. It will be very interesting. Right. Okay. Without wasting time, we shall move on for, am I audible to you all?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
audible to you all? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Mani sir, have you started recording? Okay. Thank you. Now, is my screen visible? Now we are moving on for the demonstration of certificate design. We are going to design certificates. Many of the professionals are here, teachers are here, and students are here. We will know how to design a professional certificate. Right. Now, what is the size of a certificate? It is most probably in an A4 size. In a A4 size, right? The exact size or standard size of certificate is that you can go to internet and find out, but I shall tell you. File, new, the width is 11. Width is 11 and the height is 8.5 inches and the resolution is 300. Am I clear to you? Make it inches and give here. It is 11 inch and the height is 8.5 and the resolution is 300. Resolution is 300. With this 11 inch and the height is 8.5 inches, the resolution is 300. Am I clear to you? Yes, press OK. So this is the certificate size. Okay, once again I shall make it with this 11 and the height is 8.5, almost like an A4 sheet, right? Okay. Now, see, with regard to the background of the certificate, you can have any color. You can have single color. See, I just give a single color, maybe light color. I would like to design a blue color background. See, I just go with blue and give, see, a blue color, right? Or if I want to go for some green color, creamy color, see, I can go for some creamy color. See, some creamy color, right? I can even go for gradient background. Go for some light background. For example, look at here. I shall go for light background, gradient. Okay. So I can go for double color or I can go for triple color. Whatever colors that is feasible, you can go for triple color also. Right. Right now, I would like to go for single color. So I just go with paint bucket. I'm sorry. So single color I have given. Okay, I've got it. Now I'm going to design a certificate. Now designing certificate that should involve professionalism. You know, if the background is plain white color, that will look fantastic. White color. If it is white color, that will look fantastic. But other colors, how to use other colors and what are the elements should be there in certificate, we shall see. Now, we should have a top layer which has the logo and the institutional name, right? Institutional name and the logo should be there, right? Kindly hold on for a moment. So now look at here. So we have given colors. Now I'm going to have top layer. I mean top banner that holds the whoever is issuing the certificate, maybe the institution or something with the logo and the name of the institution. And here the body of the certificate and bottom you should have signatory authority signatures should be there. Now before I proceed, I would like to divide the top banner. How do I divide it? See, I just take rectangle tool. Now listen carefully. Rectangle tool, I'm drawing a rectangle. I'm drawing a rectangle. See, I have drawn a rectangle. Am I clear? I have drawn a rectangle. I have drawn a rectangle. I go change the color. Layer, color overlay. I would like to go for maybe green color. Okay, see, I've chosen a green color. Now I also would like to go for pattern. See here. Sorry, texture. See, texture. Click texture. See, I have given texture. Texture. See what I have used. I have given color overlay and texture. Right. Now here I would like to give the title, Certificate of Merit. Just type Certificate of Merit. I just type it in capital letter, Certificate of Merit. I just increase the size. The shortcut key for increasing the size of the letters. What is that? So I've just given.
The greater than.
Yeah, exactly. Certificate of Merit. I would like to go for white color. Color overlay. I would like to go for white. So white will fit in. Right. Okay. Now, look at here. I have selected background. Okay, I've kept it nicely. Now I would like to have the logo and St. Joseph's College. Now I go to internet and bring about the logo. Okay. See here, I've taken a logo. Take the logo which is more bigger. Right, I've taken this, copy image, go back to Photoshop. All these things, I need not repeat again. How do you remove that single color background? Just using Magic Wand tool. I've chosen Magic Wand tool. I've removed it, right? Okay. I keep the logo on the top. I reduce the size little more. Okay. I've kept it. Yeah. I've kept it here. And I would like to keep the title. Now, Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College. Now I would like to have right alignment or center alignment. That font color, I would like to change the font color. Font color into blue. Okay. Now look at here. Department of Computer Science. See, I would like to change. I would like to change the size. Okay. Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College. College. Autonomous. Okay. And in the text, the tagline of the college or institution, maybe ISO standards or something like that. Now I would like to add accredited with A++ by NAAC. Then college with potential for excellence. College with, these are two taglines for this college. Potential for excellence. Now finally, Tiruchirappalli, the address, Tiruchirappalli 62002, Tamil Nadu, India. Okay, if it is internationally, you can decide. See here these two taglines, the size can be reduced. Size can be reduced. Okay. Two taglines, the size can be reduced. I reduce the size. Would like to reduce a little more. I've reduced the size. Yes. Yeah, I have done it. Now I would like to give the color. I would like to give the color for this. How do I give the color? The top one alone, I'm changing the color. Top one. Department of Computer Science. I go take red color. Violet or red color. Okay, or the magenta color. Right. See here. So I think that now the alignment can be in left so that it looks better. And the font also can be changed. No, if you don't like, you can change the font. Now I'd like to change the alignment. See, I'm making it left aligned. Now look at it. This is also one kind of professionalism. I just reduce even with, see. Okay. So keeping the logo and the tagline of the college can be kept here. It is also one of the, see, keeping in center alignment is old fashioned. So I'm keeping it in the left aligned. Now I would like to reduce this shape. See, I'm just reducing the shape so that I can put it on the top. Now, I would like to have a simple, a small border left side also. So what do? I just take copy of this top rectangle shape, Control T, I rotate it. Keep it outside and you will have rotation option, rotate it. I have rotated it and bring it here in the edge. So not fully, but simple, small edge. See, I'm keeping it little more. I'm taking this into edges, right? Am I audible to you? Are you all listening to me? Are you
Yes,
all
sir.
listening? Yeah. Now look at here. I keep it here in the corner. Just moving with the arrow key. I'm just moving the same with the arrow key, right? Okay. Now I go with the text, the body of the certificate. Now I drag. See here. I drag. Take it as a letter. This is to certify that I would like to have a stylish or scripting letters. So see here. I just choose Gabriella. There is a font. Okay. This is to certify that. See, it is not visible. So I just make it as blue color. Okay. Dark blue. I'm reducing the certificate and I make it as justify alignment. Control J. Control Shift J. Okay. Control Shift J. This is to certify that. Okay. Mr. So and so, whatever it may be. I just want to have full line. Complete line. So some names may be big, small. So I just want to have full length. Right. Now second line. Of which college or which institution he belongs to. So that also full line. Completely full line. I would like to have full line. Here I've got full line. Okay. Right. Now I would like to change the line gap. So what can be the line gap? See, I am just increasing the line gap. 36. I have increased the line gap to 36 so that when we write, no, it will be very legible, very much legible. Right. Has completed. See, has completed. Has successfully completed. Completed. Value added course on graphics design. I have completed the text conducted by between 1/3/2021 to 4/4/2021. Conducted by Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Now the line gap is not proper. So what do? I select everything and I make the line gap into 48. Now I've given enough and more gap. 48 I have given. If you don't like this font, you can go for some other font. Maybe I would like to change monotype cursiva. See, I've changed the font. So you can change the font if you like. Okay, right? If you don't like. Okay, fine. Now I've given the body of the text. Now look at here. Make sure it doesn't go to the corner. It should not go to the corner. Okay, it should not go to the corner. Okay, I'm just making it reduce. Yeah. Now I had the text also. Now what do? I want to make certain things bold. See here, value added course. Bold. I made it bold. The color also changes. The color also, I would like to change the color. See value added course on graphics design. So we can make it bold and change the font also. We can change the font because it has its own emphasis. So I would like to change the font. I'm just selecting. Okay. Graphics design. See, I'm reduce. Okay. And the date also. Look at here. Okay. Department of Computer Science can be made bold. Control Shift and make it some other color. Okay, and the graphics design can be another color, maybe red color. Magenta color. Okay, I've given. The body of the text is over. Now what should we do? We have to give the principal's signature. Now how should we give the principal signature? Just type here. Just typing it with the blue, dark blue. Dark blue will be always better, right? Just so with simple letters. 1 minute. Dr. X M. Okay, the name of the principal, and make it little more smaller. Make it little more smaller because it looks bigger, right? I keep it here in the center, and the next line supposed to be principal. Principal, right? It is in center, left alignment. I would like to make it center alignment. See, I made it center alignment, and I would like to reduce the line gap. See, I'm reducing the line gap to 18 or even to 24. 24 will be better, right? Now I reduce the principal size. Now the HOD principal sign can be here in the left side, and according to the priority you must go. Okay, the first you should go with the HOD, then to the higher order, right? Professor A. Charles, head of the department. Head of the department. Okay, so these two. Now we have got the signatures of the authority. Now, if you would like to have the seal of St. Joseph's College, you can keep it here. So you have to scan it and bring it here. Seal. Right now, I just bring it from internet. Seal. College seal is not there. Imagine that this is the emblem. Okay, this is the seal. Okay, it is not a seal, but just for an imagination. Just is a seal and copy
So
it.
you type as hologram, so it will become.
Yeah, that's what you can the hologram can be pasted, but it is, I'm not talking about the hologram. I'm
Okay.
talking about the seal, the rubber stamp. No, the rubber stamp can be scanned and bring it here. Okay, it can be brought here. The rubber stamp can be brought here if it is needed. If it is needed. Okay, if it is needed, like for certificate, official certificates, it is needed. So we brought. Now I would like to bring the signature of these two people. How do I bring the signature? You have to get the sign in a white paper of the principal and head of the department. Upload it in remove background option. Right now, I would like to take the signature from green signature. Signature from internet. Look at here, we've got few signatures. Now I would like to take this signature, right? Or I would like to take this one. See, save images. Now I'd like to take one more. See, I'm taking this one. Right click, save images. So it is in the desktop. Now I go to internet, type remove.pg, remove.pg. Just type remove.pg, upload that signature, that you will get the removed page signature. See, I have uploaded and it has removed the background. Download it. So this is one. Another one I want to upload again. Upload image. Look for the other signature. See, I have got a signature. Upload it. So when you upload your signature, don't upload it as it is. Upload here, remove the background, then use it. Okay, I have removed it. Then go back to Photoshop, file, open. Where will be that background removed signature? It is in the downloads folder. Yes, exactly. It is in the downloads folder. So I see both signatures. So I just copy, open. So I've got these two signatures. See, I'm able to take it. See, I'm able to take this one. I'm able to take this one also. Now I just close that two files. Now look at here. I'm just increasing. See here. I'm just, I can reduce it. I can even add colors, change colors. See, for example, now I have taken this signature. Okay, this signature, increase little bit. Okay, I've increased it, and I would like to change the color. Now I can very well change the color. Go to layer, layer style, color overlay, change it into green. See, I have changed it into green color. Okay, I want to change the same color to this signature also, so I can very well do that. Go here, copy layer style, take this one, paste it, paste layer style. That's all. Same color is applied. So now things are done. Now the certificate design is over. Now look at here, file. I just go to file, save as. I'm making it as JPG first. Sorry, PST file first. Certificate model. Certificate model. Okay, fine. Now look at here. I'm just going to have the JPG format. Go to JPG and make it as JPG file. Right? The certificate is done. I go to printable format. In inches, it is 12 inch and the height is 18. I make it height is 18 and the resolution is 300. Okay, please make note of it. The printable size 12 into 18, with this 12 and the height is 18. The resolution is 300. So I make the file. Now open the JPG image of the certificate. Where is it? Okay, certificate. Yeah, I see a certificate model. I've got it. Now I just drag it to this. See, I've got certificate number 1. Okay, and number 2. See, Alt. I'm pressing Alt key. You can bring it. See, in between I had a gap, so they will cut it and give you. You will have to write it, make it. I just show you. Am I clear to you? Okay, a beautiful design, a simple, but it looks elegant. Now, my dear friends, the same certificate, say this is one, the same certificate can be redesigned. How? How can it be redesigned? You can change the background. You can change the background. See, for example, I would like to change the gradient. Yeah, I would like to change the gradient. I would like to change the color. Maybe a light yellow color. See, look at here. Am I clear to you? See, I have changed the color. See, I can even change it from this way. See, am I clear to you? So any way you want, you can change it, and the font size also can be. This is one, and you can also change the background with a little texture effect. How do you do that? Go to layer, layer style. The background is not. Now it's okay. Layer, layer style, bevel and emboss, and here you just click on texture. See here, texture, and reduce the scale. Reduce the scale to simple one. Reduce the scale. See here, a little bit texture effect is there. Are you able to see that? Are you able to see that now? See the texture? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not a plain background, but a texture effect. But
Yes,
it looks like a texture, looks like plain, but a texture effect I have given. If need be, you can give, otherwise you need not. Okay. I just remove it. Let us see if it is not good. See, I have removed it. Okay. Or you can even go for pattern overlay and reduce it. See, am I clear to you? See, I have removed. I have reduced the opacity. I can even get any of the pattern. For example, Abdul Kalam. See here, I made a Dr. APJ. Now you can even reduce the opacity. See, Kalam face is here. See here. See, so many Kalams are here. Am I clear to you? See, I am reducing the scale. Are you able to see that, participants? See here, full of Kalams. If you have logo of St. Joseph's College, can also be put like this. See, based on the design, you can go for your own model. See, for example, this rose color, rose something. Yeah, I go here, increase the scale. See here, I get this rosy effect. I increase the opacity. Are you getting it? See here, I reduce the opacity. So like this, you can increase or decrease the size of the pattern, and you can get beautiful See here, are you able to see the background?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, floral background. Also, you can go for your own models. Look at here, I would like to just tell you. You want to have plain. Now look at here, I just want to have my own design. See, I've taken a rectangle. I will have a special session on this. Don't worry. I will have a special session on this. Now I had a rectangle. Now I am changing the color into thick green. Okay. So I have changed the color into thick green. Control T. Press Control T. When you press Control T, if you have a shape like this, see on the top you have like this. Okay, transition. Click over here. See, I can change. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
See? Am I clear? See, I can keep it like this. I can keep like this on the top. Okay. And you can even have the color overlay, gradient overlay. Am I clear to you? So like this, you can have another texture and you can bring it. You can even keep it this side. You have to carefully do it. For example, you can keep this side. And you can also make it the other side also. See models, just for a model. Another one, I shall do another one. Look at here. I just draw a rectangle. Okay, I've done it. Now I go to color overlay, changing it to blue color. Okay, blue color. Now I go Control T, press Control T, and I go click here. When I press Control T, it works. Okay, now look at here. I'm just making it this. I'm making this one like this. Am I clear to you? So I apply and keep it on the top. Just a circle like. So now go to layer style, gradient overlay, and change the color. Change some light colors. See here. Am I clear to you? So say change some light colors or some light blue or something like that.
That sky blue is good, sir.
Yeah. See, you can have it like this, and the same thing can be taken here. See, same thing can be taken here. You can even rotate and you can use it in this way also. See, as a border. This side, you can remove that. Am I clear to you? So you can use it in one corner, the other corner also you can use it. For example, see here. I shall rotate it. Please be creative in your own designs. Please be creative in your own designs. Now the background I would like to change. Go for the same, or some other color, maybe green light. Okay, so you can change like this, and still here. See, I've just reduced it. I just take it simply a plain strip alone can be there. See, in the middle alone, middle of not full strips. These are all various models. See, you need not follow what I say. You can have your own model. Okay, you can have your own model, and it should be professional. It should be professional. So I have kept in the center. Now what do? I just go here, change the color overlay to some darker color. Maybe see here I've given a dark color. So I've given a dark color. You can even make it a little more bigger. Accordingly, you'll have to change the design also. Yeah, I just take this side. See, it is also a simple design. Or you can even keep it on the top also. See, I can keep this logo here, and the alignment can be changed to right. It can be changed to right alignment. So like this, so many models can be used. See, this is right aligned. Right alignment with certificate. You need not confine yourself to only a model that I show you. You can be very, very creative in your models. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? This is one model. So you can also see some models from the internet as well. Okay, am I clear to you? Right. Now I'm deleting everything. I'm getting back to the old one. Okay. Now I've got it. Now I just remove these shapes.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
sir, now we are designing the certificate for taking a printout and writing it with a marker, sir. But now we are issuing e-certificates, no, sir. So how
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
add the names, sir?
Yeah. Very good. See, there are two ways e-certificate can be generated. E-certificate can be generated in two ways. No, that is not covered here, but no problem. I will do one thing. How do you generate the database? See, the database will be there where you have all the details of the participants, right? You have the database and you have the template. This is the certificate design template. So you will have to merge this template and the database. So what will happen? Automatically you will have 200 certificate, 300 certificate. With one click you can get it. That I will work out in the last week. Okay,
sir.
not only for this one certificate, but also for ID card purpose. ID card purpose, no, for ID card, 100 ID cards I want to print. I have only the design. I cannot be designing the ID card for each one separately.
Yes.
I have only model, but the name will appear automatically when I give, right?
Okay.
Am I clear
Yes.
to you? So
Yes,
please
sir.
keep it in your mind. I will demonstrate it in one of the classes in the last week. Okay. I will also demonstrate another class for making tricks of making borders. Okay, with resizing the image or control T and resizing, skewing and other options. Okay, right. Now it is 6:07. I'll give you 2 minutes time just to have an exploration of the size and other things that works. You can come back and afterwards immediately I will have another orientation of maybe vertically oriented. A certificate could be of vertically oriented. This is horizontally oriented, no? Why not be a certificate be vertically oriented? It can be done, right? Look at here. I shall show you models.
Sir, can
Certificate.
we use backgrounds from the internet also, sir?
Certainly you can use, but see that it is not copyrighted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Look at here. See, these are all models, vertical models. So far we have seen horizontal models. Right now we are going to have vertical model. Shall I continue or you want to have hands-on for 5 minutes?
You can continue.
So continue, sir.
Okay,
Continue,
fine.
sir.
Yes, fine. Look at here. I just take this model. Look at here. We've got a model. We see this model. Shall I take this model? I would like to take this model.
Certainly, sir.
Yeah. See, look at here. I just copy this. Go back. I just go to new. I'm just creating new one, right? Okay. What is the size? What is the width? Now tell me what is the width of the certificate? What should be the width of the certificate?
Sir,
18, sir.
8.5.
8
No, each one is
8.5.
8.5. Excellent. 8.5 and height
11.
11.
11.
The resolution is 300, right? Yeah. Now I got it. Now I'm pasting the background. Okay. See, I'm getting it on the top. You can very well use the the thing available from internet, but change the color entirely. For example, look at here. I'm going to change the color. The middle portion. See here, I'm going to change the middle portion. See, I'm going to delete the middle portion. So I've chosen all the middle portion. Right. See here, I just deleted. I have used the tool that I'm using it, quick selection.
Quick selection.
okay, sir.
Quick selection tool. So I can even text. See, I've deleted. Now this only the body of the letter. Now what should I do? I just select this layer 1 and go to image, adjustments and hue saturation. I told you, no, just change it. Nobody can claim. So it is your own model. It becomes your own model now. It becomes your own model. Change your own size. See, okay. You change it to your own. See, this is something different. What we brought is something different. Okay, this is something different. Now what do I do? See, I just would like to bring the logo here. So what do? I just go take the logo. I recommend the white color background. I told you, no, the white color background will be better. The white color background will be better. Am I clear to you? The white background. See the text. Don't give all, all colors. White color background will always be good. Now, what do? I would like to cancel this, and I want this same, this color here. So how do I bring it? I go to, look at here. What is the tool that can be used?
Clone
Can anyone
stamp.
tell me? Clone stamp? Yes. See, I just clone it here. It's properly select the layer. Okay, I have selected it. Now I go to clone, increase the size. I just clone this place. Yeah, I have cloned it. See here. Excellent. Slowly you will have to make it, right? Yeah. Go on the top and clone it. Okay. And here I'm cloning it again. Right. Am I clear? So I have cloned it, right? Yeah. Now what do? I have brought the logo here. Logo here. Now how can I bring the logo simply? I can use any text shape here. Go to custom shape and take a nice shape, a better shape to be accommodated here. Which shape can be used for bringing the logo? Just looking for, okay, I'm just using this one, this, okay, this blue. Keep it here, or you can even keep it here in the center, right? I would like to keep it here in the middle, in the edge. So I just go take it here. I go to layer style, gradient overlay. See here, I just make use of gradient overlay with blue. Okay, I've given. Now I just take this and bring it here. How to bring it? How to bring it? Bring it front. How will you bring it front? What is the shortcut key? Control
Sir,
shift.
control shift or close back, sir.
Yes, madam. Exactly. Excellent. So I've done it. Yes, I made it. See here, I can even keep it here, or I can keep it here. This color at the background doesn't go well, but just for a model I'm doing. I have done it, right? I've kept it here. Now I want to bring the college names here. College name, the banner, no? I just take it from this old file. So now, what font will be better? Tell me what alignment will be better?
Sir, I think center alignment.
Yeah, exactly. Center alignment will be better. So I kept the center alignment, and the font color should also be certainly changed.
Sir, white.
Yeah, white is better. I go select
Yellow.
layer, white or yellow. So it is better to go with white color. So I just go with white. See, I've selected white color, or even light blue also will do. Light blue. See. Okay, this is actually light blue. So I've given light blue. Okay, right. I've given it. Now to come with the text here, I mean the body, the same thing I'm bringing. I would like to take the bar and the certificate of merit. See, I've got everything together. So what should we do? The same bar can be brought here like this.
Sir, it will look good if we give the texture which is given on top for the name.
Yeah. But you please explore it, madam. Yeah, now I would like to increase the size of the letter. One minute. I'm making it a certificate of merit. Now look at here. I have selected this one. I press Control T. Now I have selected it. Now look at here. See, I can even take it like this. Am I clear to you? See, little change that I made. Little change that I made. You can even reduce the size of it. Certificate of merit. And the color should be, see here, I have chosen the color. And the shape, if you want, you can even use the color, the shape that is available in shape, custom shape. Look at here. I just go to custom shape and select a shape which is available here. Which is available for taglines. See here, you can use this one. See, this one can be used. Am I clear? Can we use this instead of that, the other one? I select that, copy that layer, copy here, select this layer, layer shape 2, go to the layer tool, paste it. See, I've got exactly this one. So I just take that certificate of merit and put it here. Okay, I made it. Now I delete that shape, shape 1. Now I select both. I'm sorry. Okay, I've kept it here. Now I would like to change the green into this color. I've selected this shape, layer, color overlay, change it to this color, change it to this one, the darker color, so that it goes along with the text. Okay, one of the colors, right? I've shown it. Now the body of the text. Now I'm just bringing exactly, just to certify that I'm bringing it here. See. Now what do? I have to arrange it in such a way that it looks, yeah. See here. Okay. This is to certify that. See, I'm getting the first line. Okay. The second line, I'm deleting off. Okay. Off. Okay. You have got it. You have got it. And see, between 1 to 3, okay, reduce the gap and increase the gap, line gap. I would like to increase it to 48 or 55. I've increased it so that we have got enough and more space. Okay, now the signatures, both the signatures, principal and yeah. See, I'm copying. I take selecting it by pressing. Carefully you'll have to select it, otherwise other layers will be selected. Now ensure, okay, these are all selected. I brought it here. See, I can bring it in the both ends. So I can reduce the size little more. Yeah. I kept it in both the ends. Now what should I do? I should have the emblem. I should have the emblem. So what do? I just, sorry, logo, what is that? Not logo, the seal. I just keep it here, right? In between both. Am I clear to you? So this looks very odd. This shape looks very odd. So I like to change the color. Go to color overlay and change into different color. See this color. I've taken this color. I also go for outer glow. See. Now I have given outer glow. So everything goes well. Am I clear to you? See here. See, if we print, no, it will be fantastic. See the white color background only. I've kept only white color background. Only the borders alone I have changed. You can also take the borders from internet, or you can also have your own border. You can have your own border. Okay. Yeah, I will tell you a simple way to create your own border. See, top border. See, I'm doing the top border. Look at here. I'm trying to create a top border the same as of like this. 1 minute. I'll take up your query, madam. Kindly hold on for a minute. Yeah. 8.5 and the height is 11. 300. Okay. Now look at here. I'm just drawing this border. Okay, madam. This is the border. Now look at here. The other one. See, a small line that comes. Okay, this is border. I would like to go for texture. Gradient. Not gradient, pattern. Okay. I have the pattern, and now see, I copy this. I copy this. I'm copying the same. I'm copying the same. So I have copied. Now I'd like to go for color overlay. The color is brown, thick. Okay, thick color. Now look at here. I would like to press Ctrl T and press this tool. See, now what do I do? Look at here. What do I do? Look at what I am doing. See, there will be some models will be there. See here, even I am making it little more lighter. See the points. Okay, see, I've got this. So what do? I just keep it inside. So what should I do? I shape one, shift control. See, I brought it in front of that. I brought it in front of that. Now I can even keep it here. Am I clear to you? So I can even make it there. Model, no? See? Now here I can keep something here. For example, look at here, some custom shape. Go to custom shape. And in the middle, no, you can keep it like this. For example, see here, I'm just trying to create a shape here. Okay, if you don't like, go for some other solid shapes. See, this one can be kept here. See, am I clear to you? This one can be kept, or in a simple manner. See, in a simple way, I'm keeping it this one here in the center. Yes. Now look at here. I'm just doing it. I just bring it, arrange layer. Am I clear to you? So I have reduced the size. Take it like a bow, like for example, go change the color. Change the color. Go to this color. See, I've changed the color. And see here. Texture. I made the texture. Now look at here. That's all. The top banner is ready. The top layer is ready. And at the bottom, you can make it a little smaller one. See, I keep the same one, but see, small line. That's all. Okay, you can even reduce the size. You can even reduce the size by making adjustments. Okay. Now you can keep it to white color itself. You can keep white color itself, and you can just go ahead further designs, right? Okay. Now over to you for clarifications. Over to you for clarifications. Please ask me for the clarifications. Have you got it? So once again, I would like to revise whatever that I've told you. So you can design the certificate in a vertical or horizontal. You need not confine to the design that I'm making. You be very creative. You see a certificate that you have received, or you see a certificate in internet. Based on that model, you just completely go with your own model. You can design of any model. You need not follow whatever the model that I have given you. So you can complete your own model, right? Okay. Any clarification? Any clarification?
Sir, I did that horizontal model, sir. That the certificate of merit, I made a rectangle box. I have to move down. It's not moving, sir.
See, if it is not moving down, look at here, my dear boy. See, 1 minute. I'm just sharing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible, Pa? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Sure.
See, for example, see, I would like to move this. See, I have selected this. I'm moving it. If you are not able to move it, see here, there is a center. If you don't see this, you cannot move it. See, I'm unable to move it. Just click here, you'll be able to move. Okay. Okay, pa?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Just click in between, you will have to move. You can move. Yeah, someone else also wanted me to. Any clarification? Any other clarification? Please ask. Be creative.
Sir, how
Yeah.
to get it, sir? In
Yes,
center.
ma. Yes, Kanna. How to?
How to get that, sir? If you move like this, sir.
Which one, pa?
In center, sir. Center orange color.
Which one, Raja? Here, this one. See here, I'm just moving it, no? If you are
How
unable
to-
to move, look at here, pa.
Sir, how to cut that, sir?
Which one, pa?
In center.
I've made use of that thing, pa. I mean, this tool, pa. See, look at here. Look at the shape. See this. You can do it by custom shape, pa. Use
Yes,
the
sir.
custom shape. Okay, pa.
Yes, sir.
Right? You select it here. On the top, you see different shapes are here. You can make use of any shapes, pa. Okay, pa. Okay, dear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear. Any other, pa?
So once I have given a color, if
Yeah.
I want to change that color gradient, it is showing us some symbol, round white symbol. Why it's sir?
No,
I'm
madam.
not
You
able
can-
to change the color.
See, for example, see, I've given this color. I would like to change layer style. What do you want to change? Gradient. See, I've chosen
Yes.
gradient. See, it appears, no? It appears, no, madam.
Okay.
What
Yes,
does
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
It appears, madam. Check it. What is the
For
problem?
me,
Check it. What is the error that you get, madam?
sir, I'm checking it, sir.
Yeah, please. The attendance link is shared with you already. You can fill the attendance. How to rotate the duplicate green border? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Look at here, sir. Size of the certificate is 8.5 into 11, sir. You can change the order also. For example, look at here. I'm making it. Imagine that this is a bar. Okay, see here. Look at here. This bar now you're talking about. See here, I've got it. Right. I have taken one more. See, I have taken one more by pressing Alt key. Control T and keep it outside and you can rotate it. See, I can rotate it outside. Press Shift key, it will be straight. Okay, and keep it here in the border. You can keep this side also. Okay, am I clear to you? See, giving borders in all the side, it is not very professional these days. Okay, give border in one side and remove in other side. Yes. And have I answered all your queries? How to rotate the duplicate? Yeah, I've done it. Yeah.
Good evening,
Any
sir.
other? Good evening, madam.
Today I missed your session because of network problem.
No problem,
Kindly
madam.
send me the video.
I request Mr. Mani sir to upload it as early as possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please
Okay.
follow it. He uploads every day. Some of you are asking for the videos. He uploads every day. I think
Yeah.
one video has been missed out. One video has been missed out. I have asked him to do it. Okay, he will do it certainly.
Okay, sir.
Any other clarification, madam?
Nothing, sir. I will
Yeah.
first.
Don't
Yes,
worry,
sir.
madam. You just yes, Dr. Miranda Lakshmi.
I'll
Madam?
share my screen, sir.
Please, madam. I stop my screen. Yeah.
Shall I share my
Please. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Please share it, madam.
sir? Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yes, madam.
So I'm getting this error. Could not use the gradient tool because the content of the layer is not directly editable.
Madam, see, you have taken, which one you have taken, madam? 1 minute. Close it, 1 minute. Close it. Select that, right click, go to the pick tool, color pick tool, color pick tool. No, go to the move tool, madam. Go to the move tool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Go to layer,
Yes, sir.
layer style, madam. Gradient
Okay,
overlay.
sir.
Click gradient overlay.
Okay.
Yeah, it comes no, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we are going to select it with the paint bucket tool, we'll not be able to fill it here, sir.
No. You cannot fill it, madam. You cannot fill it. You
Cannot.
cannot directly apply. Yeah, yes, madam.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
will have
Thank
to
you.
use layer style. Yes, madam.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Otherwise, you will have to race trace. I will tell you that maybe later. I'm going to tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow we will have model of magazine design, and day after tomorrow we will go for some media design, media based design, and hereafter we will go for thereafter we will go for the other aspects of Photoshop, other tricks and aspects of Photoshop, various other. Okay, so I request all of you to please come out with beautiful design of beautiful as well as professional design of certificates, and make appropriate colors. Use light colors. White color will be excellently better, because official certificate should have white color. It will be better.
Is
And
there
as-
any
yes, madam.
font we like,
See, for example, the running text can be used with scripting font, madam. Scripting font is some stylish fonts, right? Other official information can be written in plain fonts.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
sir, please can you tell, do we have test 2 again, sir?
Test 2, ma.
Yes, sir.
Next week, ma. I will tell you next Saturday, coming Saturday, after 7 days. Yeah.
Yes.
Whatever that.
Excuse me,
Yes, madam.
This week Saturday you are saying, sir?
Madam, I couldn't get you, madam. Could you please be louder?
This week Saturday you are saying?
Yeah.
Actually, sir, next week is holiday, so I'm going out of station, so it will not be possible for me to attend the test on 27th, sir.
Okay, madam. So no
For
problem.
me also, sir. For me also. Please kindly shift the date.
No, madam. Just for 2 people, we cannot shift the entire date. But we will give you another date, madam. Both of you, we can give.
Yeah, big festival. Na? So
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
that is
understand,
why.
madam. I understand. Those who have difficulty, we will have test in another day. No problem. Okay, madam.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Don't worry. We can even if you're not able, we can have it in some other day. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. So you have all become experts, madam. Nobody is asking any clarification these days, because you are all very much familiar with designs. Yes, I want you to design, have a good certificates, professional certificates. I request Mr. Mani sir to send the recorded version as early as possible. So he will send it to you today sooner, the morning and evening session. So you can make use of that, please.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other clarification? I am available. If any of you have done, please share. If any of you have done, please share your screen. For more, it will motivate others. Thank you. Those who would like to leave, you can leave. You're welcome. Tomorrow we'll meet in the same time and date. See, if you are unable to take up, please, sir. Thank you, sir. If you are unable to attend the class on your own schedule, you can switch over the schedule. For example, if you are unable in the morning, you can attend in the evening. If you are not able to attend the evening session, you can attend in the morning. So plan accordingly. If you are unable to attend both the sessions, please follow the recorded sessions. The recorded session is available.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. You can leave, no problem. Any clarification? Yeah, yes, please. I want you to design both the orientation.
Sir, I have designed only one orientation.
No
sir.
problem, dear. No problem. Just do it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is this visible?
Yes. Very good. Yeah. Very good. It looks fine. Yeah. It looks fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Take the model and you can use it accordingly. You can see one thing.
Sir,
If your
sir.
design is okay, I will make use of your design for giving certificates to all the participants. If the design is pakka. Okay.
Yes. Sir, I have made it on my own, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So please stop the recording, sir. Can you please send the certificate you did now? Yeah. How do you want it, madam? Madam, how do you want it?